and support for routing policies. Scalability is nothing but right now we have a 6 lakh certificated routes and it's still growing. And with respect to the secure routing, route from another AS cannot be trusted. That's the main thing we have to know about it. And so for that we need tight filters are required, as well as authentication is desirable. So, and for the supporting routing policy, routing between autonomous system might not always follow the optimum path which we are experiencing. So exterior routing protocols have to support for the wide range of customers. So that is the requirement. So for the BGP. So here we can see it with the example. So here we can see there are two companies, company A and company B, and one more company called company X. So if company A wants to communicate with company X, so what is the routing protocol which we are going to use? We can see it here. So if here we can see it with the example. So there are company A, company B and company X are there. So with different speed of links. So we have a one service provider as well. So let's get started and see how the things is going. So if company A wants to communicate to the company X, what is the best routing protocol which we'll use here? So we have a different varieties of link. So there are 2 Mbps links. So if you are using OSPF or EIGRP, it will always choose the best routing path with the highest bandwidth using the metrics. So it will flow via the company A to company B to a service provider, and then it will go to the company X. So all the traffics towards internet which will flow via company B. So this will create a bandwidth congestion in the company B. So to overcome this scenario, so we have to use BGP only. So how we can see it here? Let us suppose to see if you are creating access list in the company B, may lead to dropping the packets which is coming from the internet packet from the company A. That may be like a black hole route. So the company B, if receives anything from the company A towards internet, it will block. So that one company A won't be able to understand. So so it's kind of black hole, so internet cannot be reached. So we can achieve this using BGP over AS path. So how are you using